focus में जाता है.
Alright, we're rolling again. Sorry, we were at.
So basically, so I've known Gul for like I've known of her for a long time. I haven't had the chance to actually meet her.
Here comes the connection with Varun. You know, like
yeah,
how you would have known of
exactly.
Gul more.
No, I knew of Gul because obviously because of Varun. Then because of Grover.
Yeah.
Aditi.
Yeah.
Surbhi.
True.
Karan Wahi, and basically all the shows that she's made, and Harshad. So she's done so much work with everybody, and she's done love stories and something that I would love to do, you know, that jazz. And so she called me for one of her shows. She called me, I think, for Kabul when they were changing the actors again, and I was again hesitant about that because I was like, you know, it's not something that
it's a running show.
Yeah, I would not want to do. And at that point of time, what Kabul was going through, the tracks and all, I was just not very confident about doing it. Then it would have been again, chalo ji per day banate types. Because it was the same set where Comedy Nights Bachao is.
Right.
So it's the same place. So,
right.
So I would meet them almost every time I would be there.
Yeah, I know. I met you there once.
So I had a thought of what was happening. Then Gul called me for a web series, which she's still not told me what the web series is, by the way, for all you people who
have written. I put a picture of you, and then is this the one with Surbhi Jyoti? And I was like, what do I say?
So for all the people who been asking us when is the web series coming, I can give you Gul's number because I want to ask her when are we shooting it, because we've just shot the promo. So what you've seen is the promo. I don't know if Barun and Surbhi have shot something or not, but so she called me and she's like, there's a web show, and because I've been doing a lot of web series and I'm still currently doing a lot of web series because of the content that you can, you know, work around.
True.
You have the liberty and you're not scared of TRPs falling or going up.
Very true.
And what better than, you know, working with people you know. Barun I've known since I was in first standard.
Since grade 1 is what I was gonna say.
So since first standard I have known him. We've been neighbors in Delhi, almost neighbors in Delhi. His house is right across.
We go.
So yeah, so Barun has been like almost neighbor in Delhi, and I have a very big role in getting that man to Mumbai, so I'm very proud of the fact.
I mean, that's how I came to know about you, because I did an interview with Barun and we were talking and he's like, I was so not into it, and we were talking about Shraddha karke jo series thi. He said, usko kuch... Sorry, go ahead, you say the story, I'm sorry.
So basically, Gul told me about this web series, and I said, what's the web series? She's like, you do now, what do you... She's like, you're playing this. I said, but what's the web series? She's like, you'll get to know na, it's a nice show. So I said, okay. She said, I want half an hour. So I came that day for that half an hour, 1 hour thing, and we shot, and I'm just waiting now, I think, because Barun's also working on a show right now, so he's busy. So Surbhi is the only one who's free right now. Then, so after all this, Gul had also offered me another show, which I don't know if it's right now happening or not. But something or the other went, you know, drastically wrong, and I was also on that zone कि यार नहीं करना यार अभी नहीं करना अभी थोड़ा सा ना मतलब let me just give myself more time and all that jazz. But at the same time I've been getting really bored at home because see I make a lot of money, that's brilliant. But when you work only 4 to 5 days a month, it just catches up sometimes because it's like boring and all that jazz.
Right.
So Gul called me for this show, and by the time she called me for this show, I had already said yes for some other show. So I said, I'm sorry, I had said yes for some other show, and I would have loved to do a love story, but can't now. So she said, okay. 3 days later, some issues happened with whatever I was doing on the show. So I messaged her, I said, has your lead got finalized? She said, yeah, he's got finalized. Said, okay, fair enough. So I hung up. She said, so she messaged me saying what happened. I said nothing, just wanted to check because my other show, there's a problem. She's like, but you were doing it, right? So I was doing it, but there's some contractual foundations which I cannot, comply with. So she's like, "मेरा कल promo shoot है. Do you want to do the show?" I said, "If you have already locked the cast, how can you?" She's like, "You want to do the show, तो tell ना." I said, "I would love to do the show," and I think that's how I got this show. Though I've irritated her a lot, I've not taken calls, and there were some issues going on, and blah 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 and blah blah blah. And I think I'm a pain for everybody before a show starts because I ask too many questions.
Okay.
And I want to be sure about everything.
Right.
And that's because I have another problem that I can't say no.
Okay.
So I think my way out are my questions. So when
Are you letting the cat out of the bag here?
no, I'm just telling Gul why I am such a pain before the show begins. So what happens, like I want to be sure about everything because see, honestly, television, we all know, yaar, it just becomes your life.
Very true.
It just becomes your life. आप कुछ भी कह लो, कितना भी आप enthu हो जाओ, when you reach at work at 9 and when you pack up by 9 or whenever you pack up, your day begins at 6:37. By the time you reach home, it's 10, 10:30, 11 sometimes.
True.
So all you have time is for dinner. You eat and then you probably watch TV for half an hour and you sleep. Because you have to again wake up and you have to again go through the same
Day, yeah.
gym bang. So I think it just becomes family. It becomes your life for that particular point in time. So I think not doing television for 4.5 years, I think that's the fear that crept up. That will I be able to do it? But do I have? Because when you're new and when you're like all enthusiastic, you just want to go about everything and blah 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 blah. मैं तुम लोग खा लो मैं खा लूँगा. रोटी लाओ. तुम लोग खा लो मैं खा लूँगा. तुम लोग पहले खत्म कर लो. So you just and I was like, यार मैं I work for Comedy Nights Bachao 3 days a month. I do my web shows and web series and all that 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, and I still have 15 days to myself and I can just chill.
Right.
And I think I'm not as enthusiastic as I was when I had come to Bombay. I think it just happens that when you work too much out here, you somehow become a little laid back.
From remix days when you were like a young enthusiastic lad to today, and not that you're not young.
No, I'm not. I think when I came in remix, I was too young.
Right.
So at 18, that time, 12 years back, a lot of people, actually hardly people used to come at 18. So there were kids and then there were elders. There was nothing called as a 18-year-old boy becoming the lead of a show.
Who's an adolescent, technically.
So there were child artists, 11, 12, 13, and then there were 24, 25 plus. And I got stuck in the middle because I was playing 19, 20 and I was 18. So I wasn't playing 25 like a lot of people play, like a lot of people play. So I was playing almost my age. And I think I was so new to the entire fund of stardom that it never hit me. I didn't realize what it was. So I was just like another 18-year-old boy who got really excited about the fact that why people are going berserk about me. Why? Like, okay, I'm the same looking guy. Why suddenly I'm going to Delhi and people are going, oh my god, I'm in Bombay, they're like, oh my god. And because it was India's first 1 hour daily, so there was no time.
Very true.
So there was only a Sunday that we used to get an off, like a mandatory Sunday. So Saturday nights were for partying and Sunday was to chill. And I was so enthusiastic also because I never stayed away from my family alone. In a different city, different culture. You're meeting people, new people every day. Suddenly, people who are elder to you are calling you sir. I don't know why. Spots are calling you sir. Everyone's like at your beck and call. And I've never come across this kind of behavior. So it's very alien for me. Like it's very, excuse me, I can do my job.
Right.
So it was fun. So now, and I think after 12 years of working now, you just become a little laid back. I will not say you take your work for granted because when you work.
But if I may interrupt here, what I feel, some things have now become second nature to you. You know,
Yeah.
whether it's the positioning, coming on the mark. You say, I mean, I
Yeah.
just saw Jai Singh tell you
Yeah.
that, you know, sir, aapka mark 2 kadam piche.
Hmm.
You didn't even like look down
Yeah.
as such. You just knew where to come, and I noticed that.
Because I think that also, I think for that I should thank all my first directors and my first cameraman, because I was so enthusiastic now. I used to never go back to the makeup room.
Right.
I just wanted to be there. So I wanted to know how to take light. ऐसे कैसे होता है, फ्रेम में कैसे आते हैं.
Guy with questions.
So I was too
Curious.
in life कि अच्छा ये कैसे करते हैं, चीट कैसे करते हैं. अभी तो सर आपने चीट किया तो ऐसा, अभी राइट शोल्डर क्यों है, लेफ्ट शोल्डर क्यों नहीं है, ओएस क्यों है, क्लोज क्यों नहीं है. So things like this, I think my first directors were Iqbal sir and Bhushan Patel. So Bhushan sir and Iqbal sir, I think helped me a lot, because, and I think also for them, I think I'm sure everybody would want to impart their knowledge about work if someone wants to
know.
So I think it helped me a lot, because Bhushan sir especially, he's very strict, but
I've met him.
he's very kind to me. So I've been lucky. I've never been on the wrong side. Iqbal ji was more like a friend. Ganesh sir, and we would play cricket on the set, so you know, same passion and all that jazz.
Right.
And I think somehow I guess I've been lucky enough, because I think in my earlier phase of my life, because I was so young, I became everyone's favorite,
Right.
because I was the child on the set.
So true.
So everyone would take care of me, you know, rather than
But natural.
treat me like a actor. They would treat me like a child. बच्चा है, छोटा बच्चा है, उसको ध्यान रखना है. मास्टर जी,
हेलो मॉनिटर बड़ा ना मेरी स्पीड से वो
अनिकेत
कैमरा वैसे
मेकअप
5 ये कम करो वो करो ये ऑफ होता है फिर ऑन होता है.
why don't someone tell these goons कि फिल्में नहीं देखते क्या, एंड में इन्हीं की पिटाई होती है, फिर भी आ जाते हैं. I don't know, man.
चलो रेडी स्टैंड बाय. ये पीछे को बड़ा
Don't believe me?
हाँ सही है
I'll just show you.
स्टैंड बाय. एक बार तेरा मार्क देखिए बेटा. स्टैंड बाय. बस पंच का लाइट ये थोड़ा
अभी भी करता है नहीं ये रखो ये अभी थोड़ा लाइट
महान के पास है अंगूठियों की शक्ति.
ये करने
रेडी स्टैंड बाय रोल रोलिंग कुन्नर एंड एक्शन मार.
तुझे मारने का मकसद
आगे बढ़ा इस पे रिवील नहीं रहेगा नहीं. हाँ रिवील नहीं है और नॉर्मल कर देना है.
भाई कल तुरंत